Hi, good morning from New York, from Brooklyn.
Like 2 hours to get ready.
Yeah. If you only focus on your assignments like that, you know?
My God.
I got here around what time? Like
Yesterday?
Yeah, around like 7.
Yeah.
We ate dinner in Koreatown and then we went home.
Yeah.
Yeah. So awkward filming in this paper. But yeah, we're heading to SOHO today, so we're gonna do some photo shoots and just shop. Yeah. See you there. Oh yeah, this is Nancy.
Yeah, it's like introducing me like to
This is a bound and local train. The next stop is 18th Avenue.
We're coming to New York City once again.
For the millionth time.
Yeah.
I really like this coat. So far, only found this pants for Nancy. I'm not sure if she will wear it to school, but I'm really digging this whole chain and stripe thing. Why am I into this? Why am I digging this? Okay, Nancy, so here are your outfits. Oh god. Have fun. There are 3 outfits.
Damn, girl.
Yeah. Ooh.
I wonder like that kind of shoes. Well, guess what, guys? We just went to check in and got ourselves a customized t-shirt. Well, we wanted
For
like
$45.
really? Mine was like almost 50, I think.
I thought yours was $45.
Was it?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Ours was
Yeah,
like
it was
nothing price.
Yeah. So we wanted like a crew neck at first, but then they didn't have our size in medium.
Nor color.
Yeah. So we ended up getting a t-shirt, which is pretty cute, and I can't wait to show you guys how it looks.
We gotta pick it up tomorrow though. Oh, so soft. Yes. We're heading to Lotte, Paris to eat lunch.
It's my treat.
Yeah, it's her treat.
Because she's visiting New York City.
Yeah. So we're gonna do tea time and hopefully get lunch there. And it's really pretty and aesthetic apparently, so we're gonna see that. Yeah.
Lottery. We're going. It's my shadow. Yes. It's so cute in here. Jessica's always looking at me. Oh wow, look at the menu.
Let's do meals and then do tea time after.
She's so adorable. This place is so cute. What do you think of this place so far?
It's beautiful. It's slightly dim, and I wish we came here with our boyfriends.
Alright. Oh my god.
So
Such a sad life. Our food came. Oh my god, this looks so good. I always get mac and cheese. She got omelet.
yeah, with bacon and avocado on the side.
So the waiter asked if it was her birthday, and she said it's her birthday soon, and got her a macaron.
Can I make a wish now?
Yes, make a wish.
Okay.
Yay! Turning, that's so cute. Turning 20 soon. Wow, weird. This is so cute.
Tea time. Yay. Let's eat.
So we finished
We finished our $187 meal
because I got like
macaroon for like $46.
yeah, 15 of them.
So now we're just gonna head back to Topshop and H&M to shop a little more.
Okay, you gotta hold me back. I'm not buying anymore.
That's cute.
Ready?
A kitty will put it on.
Fabulous. Howdy.
How do I look?
It looks
terrible.
cute.
This girl is buying so much more. Oh my god. Nancy, what happened to not buying anymore?
So, I got like a short from Topshop, but I'm returning 2 items to Forever 21. She's giving me that shake my head look.
Hi, so we studied at Starbucks for a few hours. Nancy finished her essay, thanks to me.
Yes.
And then we're back home. It's around like 11.
11:01 right now.
11. Yeah. And we're gonna eat some macaroons that we bought earlier today. Oh, here you go. This thing was freaking $46 for 15 macaroons. Isn't that insane, guys?
No, there's 16 because we didn't eat one during tea time.
16. But anyways, we're gonna do that and we're gonna edit videos. Yay! See y'all tomorrow. Thanks. Your cough really ruined it.
I know.
Today is Thursday and it's currently like 10:30. We're heading to Nancy's school. She has classes, but I'm just gonna like hang around in her school somewhere and then go to SOHO to pick up the champion sweatshirt or no t-shirts.
I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm so excited for that. Then later today I'm gonna meet my friends who also live in New York.
Yeah.
Around 3:10. Then we're gonna get our nails done. Yay! I guess I'm a student at Hunter College for today. We're gonna hide this.
Right, fuck you. I would.
Hi, Ellen.
I mean a lot about
Reunited. Hi. You guys are my vlog. Oh shit! Your hair looks hella red. Yeah, it's really red.
So we're walking to Dollar Pizza right now.
Yeah.
Really good New York pizza.
Let's go. It's Teresa's treat, right?
Yes.
I am home, guys. So here is how my customized champion looks like. My last name and my favorite number. And then on the back, I chose the maroon champion color. It looks really, really good. I love it. Okay, this is Nancy's. It says her last name and her favorite number. And then back, it says Black Champion.
It looks so cute. I'm sorry, guys. I can't show you my face right now because I just showered. You can see my towel on the head.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
It looks so cute. I am
right?
so excited.
Okay.
Same location again.
Yeah.
Hey, guys.
Hi. So today is Friday, and we're heading out to Nancy's school. We're wearing basically the same thing.
Yeah,
like
we have like the same
dark on
backdrop.
dark top, light on light top, coat with champion bags,
Boots.
Yeah, so we're heading to her school, and we have a photo shoot today.
This is Atlantic
She
Avenue
knows,
Marketing
she knows.
Center. Transfer is available.
Guys, I am walking alone to Shakespeare's Garden because I have a photo shoot with my friends, but Nancy's not here with me because she's in class. I'm walking alone, but it's such a beautiful day.
River.
What?
Da, da, da. Country road.
This is Noel.
Take me home.
Do you guys want to eat near Hunter?
Hi, it's my vlog. Hello.
You guys are all coming in the Uber.
What? Why? People with IDs got drinks. Ugh. She's getting hers soon. I need to wait a year. Not a year and a week. Look at these two losers. They're so annoying.
Oh, Dana, next one. Where did I read them?
Oil. Okay. I love that shit. Oh my.
2 minutes.
What are you doing?
I turned up a little bit.
Nancy, why are you taking my marshmallow?
Oh, it's stuck together.
Guys, I'm scared of fire.
Are we going the right way, guys?
You live here. I don't live here.
Exactly. Yes, I live in the station, Jess. Wow.
When you have to drag her because she's wearing heels and she can't walk, but also me.
This is what happens when someone has a longer leg than you.
Excuse me. Hi. We're going to Times Square to take some cute night pictures. Yeah.
And like head back afterwards.
Yeah.
Because our feet are killing.
I can't. Heading home. Today's my last full day here. Really sad.
I know.
We can go back, but we can come back, or I can come back. But you don't even live in the either. Yeah. So don't let me down. Keep me in trouble. Born to be wild. Out in the jungle. I don't want anybody close to me. 'Cause I'm an animal, oh yeah, animal like you. I don't wanna be somebody without your body close to me. Somebody without your body close. They just like this. What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god, we got so much food.
Why are you crying on it?
Hey guys, so it is currently like 1 a.m. Today was the last day officially in New York. Tomorrow I have like half a day in here in New York, and then I'm leaving back home because my spring break is over. But tomorrow I won't film because I'm just getting to the station. I'm taking the bus. It's kind of boring, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys liked it. Yeah, I had so much fun staying in New York. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.